Janet from Try It Like It Created, and today I am unboxing my essential oils recipe box from Simply Earth, and this is the August 2021 box. So I'm just going to open it, show you what's included here. You can tell here that it says you can scan the QR code for recipes and video tutorials, so there's more than just what's included in the box. So what do we have? We always get 4 oils, and so this month we have sage, peace and quiet, lavender, and peppermint. This might be one of my favorite boxes. What's included here is, it looks like we have a candle wick or a hanging cord. This is a stone. I believe it's a bathroom stone to hang in your shower. Then we have some purple Brazilian clay. Sorry, I'm sure it's brilliant as well, but it's Brazilian clay. And then we have some citric acid. And then we have our recipe cards as well as our stickers. Now we want to use any bottles or containers from our free big box that we got with our first subscription. So what's included in here is purple striped bath salts. And we will need to add some Epsom salt to this, and that would be from your own. The purple Brazilian clay is in this, lavender, and then the coconut oil came in our big box. Then we have a Quiet Moment roll-on. I love these recipes for making your own roll-ons, and this has all the information that you need to know and the recipe for it. We have Fizzy Purple Bath Scoop. That sounds wonderful to put in our bathroom this month. And if you haven't gotten the sense, this month's box is all about, or themed about, stress and the bath and bathroom. So we get a toilet cleaning balm. Everybody can use those. How wonderful. You're going to add some baking soda, and you're going to need an ice cube tray or a mold to put that together. We have a Lava Rock shower diffuser. That's what this is. So it tells you you're going to use that, the string, and then you're going to drop your lavender onto it. Of course, you could do any other essential oil you would prefer, but the lavender is calming and peaceful, and especially if you're doing it at night, it can prepare you for a good night's sleep. And then you have the Self-Care Diffuser Blend, and it gives you the recipe here with the different oils to put into your diffuser. So that's it. You get the labels to label your recipes, and each month you're going to get, like I said, you're going to get 4 oils, you're going to get support materials, and then you're going to get your recipe cards. And what I have decided to do was to purchase a recipe file box, and you can see I just got this at the dollar store. I'm going to decorate the top, and I'm going to put all of my recipes for my essential oils in here, and they fit into a normal recipe box. So that's one way that you can store them, or if you want to put them in a binder with a plastic insert, that's another way that could work for your recipes. And like I said, this is the August monthly subscription box from Simply Earth.